Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, if you have a AMD Ryzen CPU in your computer and you're on Windows 11 22H2, there seems to be more and more people that are saying that there are freezes on their Ryzen AMD systems that are they're not permanent freezes. What happens is that they freeze like for 10 to 20 seconds at a time, and then things come back to normal, and it can happen at random. Some people have noticed that when you unplug USB devices, it actually fixes the problem almost right away. A lot of people have been showing the task manager, showing that some of the task manager system interrupts are at 100%. So there's something definitely happening for sure. Different systems from different viewers, different users, from Ryzen 9 CPUs to Ryzen 5. So it seems to be different generations of the CPUs. I do have in my PC a Ryzen system. It's a which is a device manager here, and you can see here that in the processor part you will see that I have a Ryzen 7 4800H. In my case, I have not at all seen any freezes of any kinds. So what exactly is causing this? This is interesting. Could be a problem with some hardware mix. It's maybe AMD Ryzen with something else, but we're not really sure. But it's getting a quick upvote on the feedback hub, and a lot of seems that quite a lot of people with AMD Ryzen CPUs are getting freezes on their systems. This is happening since the last update. So if you do have noticed that suddenly in the past few weeks you get freezes from 10 to 20 seconds, go into your settings. It's probably because in the Windows updates, if you look at the update history, you've got the Patch Tuesday update, which is 502.21.55, sorry, 502.12.55. And that's when a lot of people are complaining that it is freezing. Now, there's been a few people that's saying that the Patch Tuesday update of November on some systems had started to do this. So this is kind of interesting. We'll see what happens next. But it's kind of interesting situation. Microsoft has not acknowledged this yet. Like I said, I'm on an AMD Ryzen. I have no issues. So it could be a mix of different devices. It's interesting. Some people have noticed that by unplugging USB devices actually fixes the problem when it's frozen. Could it be an external device that people have that does this and mixed in with the Ryzen, since it apparently doesn't happen on Intel CPU devices? So if you're plagued with that, some people, what they have done, they have actually removed the update. So we'll see what's going to happen next. But the problem is with Microsoft confirming the problems, which is kind of complicated. Now it's understandable that we are in the holiday season, so Microsoft has not been really very active in the past couple of weeks. But we'll see if in the coming weeks, if Microsoft reacts to some of the claims of the AMD problems. If you enjoy, and this is Windows 11 22H2 only, by the way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.